Alright, so today we have a practice session about the HCF and LCM. Now we have first question. From the box above, choose two numbers that have a common factor of 10. Yes, which are the two numbers that have a common factor of 10?
40 and 100.
40 and 100.
Yeah, because 4 multiplied by 10 is going to be 40 and 10 times 10 is going to be 40. So it is 40 and 100. Alright, have a common multiple of 24. Multiple of 24.
6 and 12.
Yeah, 6 times. How many
12.
times 6 you will get? 24. 6 times 4 is
6 fours
24.
are
And
6 fours
12
are
times 4
24.
and 12 times
2.
2 is 24. So means 2 and 6 are the multiple of 12 and 6 are the multiple of 24. Alright. Have a common factor of 7. Yes, common factor. He is talking about the factor. Yes, which are the numbers that have a common factor of 7? Is it divisible by 7? 28 is divisible by 7? Yes or no? 28 divided by 7, what it is?
Sir, for which question?
The question was in the C part have a
Uh,
common factor of 7. So
35 and 28?
35 and
28.
28. 28 divided by 7, we will get
4.
4. In the same way, 35 divided by 7, you are getting 5.
Yes.
Okay, so we have 35 and 28. Now have a common multiple of 200. Multiple of 200. Yes. Yes, which are the two numbers that have a common multiple of 200? So basically, you just have to check that which are the numbers that are going to be divide 200 is actually just do 200 divided by 12, 200 divided by 28, 200 divided by 100. Obviously, it is going to be divided. So obviously, one number is 100. Yes, which is the second one?
40.
40.
Yeah, 100 divided by you are getting 2. In the same way, 200 divided by 40, it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Yeah.
Yes.
So 140. All right. Let's move to the next one. Okay, now a red light flashes every 6 seconds, a yellow light flashes every 4 seconds. Okay. Now they both flash at the same time. After how many seconds will they next both flash at the same time? Yes,
12 seconds.
12 seconds. All right. What you have? Which concept you have to use here? LCM or HCF?
I'm pretty sure LCM.
Yeah, we have to use the LCM concept here. We just had to take the LCM of these two numbers because we have to find that when they are going to be flashed together. So you have different ways to find LCM. I'm just going to use this one. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2, 3 as it is, and 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 times 2 is 12 seconds. Yes. Anyone who did not understand this one? Is it clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Alright, in the next one, Tilly the dog barks every 9 seconds and Billy the dog barks every 12 seconds. They both bark at the same time. After how many seconds will they next bark at the same time? So it's exactly same type of question. What you have to do here? Yes, Mariam? Hafsa? Yes. Yes, Mariam, what we have to do here?
Find the LCM.
Yes, everyone. We have to take the LCM of 9 and 12. Yes,
So
tell me.
we will do with 3, right? Or
Now,
2.
first of all, the smallest prime number is 2. So we'll take 2 first.
Oh,
2
okay.
times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6. Now we will go for the next prime number, that is
3.
3.
So 3 and 1 and 3. Yeah, okay.
Okay. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. And 18 times 2 is 30.
36.
36 seconds. Yes, Mariam, can you please read the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
A blue light flashes every 8 seconds, every 8 minutes, while a pink light flashes every 54 minutes. Both lights flash together at 2 p.m. When is the next time that both lights will flash together?
Okay. So it's going to be exactly the same type, but the starting time is 2 p.m. and you have to be tell the next time. All right. So first of all, we are going to be find the LCM of 8 and 54. So yes, Hafsa, tell me what will be the LCM of 8 and 54 and find the LCM all of you on your notebook if you have. Yes, are you finding the LCM?
Yes, sir.
Just tell me the value. 2 raised to power 3 and 3 raised to power 3 is going to be equal to
216.
216. All right. Yes. So 216 you will get it is basically after 216 minutes they are going to be flashed together. But you have to tell the time, right? So 216 so you have to be converted into the hours and minutes. So how many full hours in 216 minutes? Anyone have the idea? How many full hours? If you want to be check that how many full hours in it, just divide 216 divided by 60 because in 1 hour you have 60 minutes. Just divide 216 divided by 60. It may be 3 point something or 4 point something.
Sir, 3.6.
3 point. This means that it has 3 hours completely. So I just break 216 into 3 multiplied by 60. So these are the minutes for 3 hours. Now, how many minutes are left? So it is basically 180
46.
minutes. 180 minutes, right? So 216 minus 180, it will be
46.
46. 46 or 36?
36, sorry.
Yeah,
Sir, my
30.
answer is 5:36 p.m. Like the time.
536. All right, let's we have to check. So we will get, I'm just going to be convert 3 into 60 minutes. So minutes is going
Yes,
to be converted into hours. So it will be 3 hours and 36
36
minutes.
minutes. Which
Anyone have
will
a confusion from here to
yes.
here? Is there anyone who did not understand this step? I just break
No,
it
sir.
216 into minutes because we have a 3 hours in it. So I just write it because I want to be converted into hours, and there's a left minutes are here. So yeah, it is started from 2 p.m. So 2 p.m. plus 3 hours. So 3, 4, 5. Yeah. The time is they are going to be flash together is 5:36 p.m. Yes, your answer is correct. Yes. Anyone have a question about it?
No, sir.
Anyone have a okay. Let's see how to move next. All right. Mary is organizing a charity hot dog sale. 18 There are 18 bread rolls in each bag. There are 18 bread rolls and 15 hot dogs in each bag. Mary buys exactly the same number of bread rolls as a hot dog. That's the important thing. They have the same number of rolls and hot dogs. What is the smallest number of each bag the Mary can buy?
Sir, can you go 1 minute up? I just want to see if I'm correct for the question number 4.
This one?
Uh, yeah. Okay. Yes, now you can go down. Yes.
All right. Okay, so you have 18 bread rolls in a one batch and 15 hot dogs in each bag. So what are the minimum number of your smallest number of each bag that Mary can buy here? You will get the same number of bread rolls and same number of hot dogs. So tell me, it is the concept of LCM you have to use here or HCF? Basically, you can take one pack of bread rolls, two pack of bread rolls, three, four, five, six different rolls. In the same way, you can 4, 5, 6 the packet of hot dogs. But in this one, you have 18 bread, and here you have 15 hot dogs. So when you are getting the same number of bread rolls and hot dogs, yes, it is the LCM or ICF. It's exactly the same
LCM.
type of questioning. Yeah, LCM.
LCM.
It's exactly the same thing, but obviously the type of question is going to be changed. The example is just a different one. So we have to take the LCM of 18 and 15. Yes, what is the LCM of 18 and 15? 18 and 15. So 2 times 9 is 18, 2 times 15 as it is. 3 times 3 is 9, 15 going to be as it is. 3 times 1 is 9, 15. 3 times 5 is 15. And 5 times 1 is 5. Yes, 2 multiplied by 3 squared into 5. It will be
90.
90. All right. They are basically the 90 bread rolls and they are 90 hot dogs. All right. There are 90 bread rolls and there are 15 hot dogs. So total are 90. So at the number 90, they are going to be same, right? Now we have to find a number of packs. To find the number of packs, for example, if you are going to be find the number of pack of bread rolls pack is going to be equal to, we have total number of breeds 90, right? And in one pack you have 18 breeds. If you are going to divide them, you will get the total number of packs. Yes, that is going to be
5.
90 divided by 85. Means there are 19 packs. You need to be purchase a 19 pack of bread rolls. Now next we have to find the hot dog packs. So that will be equal to total number of hot dogs. They are 90 divided by the number of hot dogs in each pack, that is 15. So it is going to be equal to 6. Means you need to be purchase 5 bread rolls and 6 hot dog packs. So you will get the same number of bread rolls and same number of hot dogs. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anyone have a question here?
No, sir. Clear.
All right. Let's have to go for the next one. Helen thinks of her two numbers. The HCF of the number of her two numbers is 5. The lowest common multiple of her two numbers is a multiple of 12. We have done this type of question in yesterday's class. LCM is the multiple of 12. So now you have to be write down the two possible numbers that Helen could be thinking of. So you have, obviously you have HCF is 5. So one number can be 5, right? And the second number is going to be 5 multiplied by 12. That is going to be, yes, 5 times 12 is going to be
60.
60. So let's we have to be check that it's 5 and 60, because if you are going to be take the LCM of 5 and 60 is going to be, yes, find the LCM, the 5 and 60. The 5 as it is, 2 times 30 is 60, 2 times 15 is 30, 3 times 5 is 15, 5 as it is, and 5 times 1 is 5. If you had to check that, 5 times 3 is 15, 15 multiplied by 2, that is 30, 13 multiplied by 2, that is 60. And 60 is a multiple of 12, right? Yes, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I think the numbers are 5 and 60, because 5 is, obviously if you are going to be take the LCM, you are getting 60, and if you are going to be take the HCF, look at here, the common multiple is 5, common factor is 5. So the HCF of these two numbers is going to be 5 and the LCM is going to be 60. So the both conditions are going to be satisfied. The HCF is 5 and the multiple of these two numbers is a multiple of 12. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But if you have to think more, is the HCF is 5 from these two numbers? And what is the LCM is 60? It can be changed. The number can be changed. It can be, let's say 60 multiplied by 2, it is going to be 120. In the same way, it can be the one option. The second option, it can be 60 multiplied by 3 is going to be 180. All right. So these are also the possible numbers. I just take the smallest possible value, that is 5 and 60. But answer can be 5 and 120. Answer can be 5 and 180. And answer can be any more numbers as well. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If he add one thing, you have to find the two possible numbers, the least possible numbers, or the smallest possible number, sorry, the smallest possible number that the Helen could be think of. So the smallest possible number can be 5 and 60. Got it? But there is no such condition here, so it can be 5 and 120, it can be 5 and 180, and just you have to find any other multiple of 60 as well. All right. So now, yes, Afan, please read the question.
Uh, trains leave Bristol to Cardiff every 15 minutes, to London every 21 minutes. A train to Cardiff and a train to London both leave Bristol at 11 a.m. At what time will a train to Cardiff and a train to London next leave Bristol at the same time?
Yes. And do it on your notebook and send me a picture. I will check the first two ones. Do do it all of them.
Sir, we will have to find the LCM, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes.
The LCM.
Yes, you have to take the LCM obviously, and take the LCM, and after that, for example, you will get some minutes. You have to convert it into hours and find the exact time. Yes, do it as fast as you can and send the picture. I will discuss two of them that sent first. Yes, if you have sent the picture, then you have to tell me.
Sir, I have sent.
Yeah, I will see one picture. Yes. Anyone else? Yes. Are you doing? Mariam, Hafsa, Afan, and Amas.
I'm doing it, sir.
All right. I need one question, one more. Who sent it? The first picture? Afan or Ahmed?
Sir Ahmed.
Ahmed. All right. Yes, I'm just waiting for you, or anyone is doing the question. Yes, Afan,
I'm I'm doing it.
you are doing Mariam. And what about Hafsa?
Sir, my answer is 12:45 p.m.
Yes, 12:45 p.m. Just send the picture. Send the
Yes,
picture in the
okay.
groups. So I will be opening here. The math is all about the practice. So just try to do the practice. Okay. Without practice, obviously, you won't be able to make a good grip on mathematics. Yes, Afan, please send the picture.
Yes, sir, I'm trying. I don't know what's the issue I'm facing.
Amal, you are also doing the question? Amal, are you here? Amal is not answering. All right, we have to move to the next one. Okay, in this one, I just explain you. Basically, you have the time that is 15 and 20 minutes. So first of all, you have to find the LCM. All right, you will get the LCM that is 105. This is basically 105 minutes. They are 105 minutes that you have. Now, you have to be converting the minutes into hours and that you have a whole hours. So I just convert it into 1 multiplied by 60 plus you will get 45 minutes left. So 160 minutes is converted into 1 hours and 45 minutes as it is. So it is started from 11 a.m. So 11 plus 1 hour that is going to be 12:45 and obviously it is going to be p.m. Yes, anyone have a confusion about this one?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. In the next one, trains to Portadown leave a train station every 28 minutes. Train to Portrush leave a train station every 16 minutes. So one train is leaving at every 28 minutes and the second one is leaving at 16 minutes. So he is going to be asked you when they are leaving the station at 8 a.m. You have to be write down when they are going to be leave at the same time. So it's an exactly same. What we have to do, we have to take the LCM of 28 and 16, and then we have to be added into 8 a.m. So let's see how to find the LCM first. 28 and 16. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 8 is 16. Next 2 times 7 is 14, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, and 7 times 1 is 7. So we are getting the LCM, that is 2 raised to power 4 times 7. So 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times 7. Yes, 16 7 is equal to
112.
112 minutes, obviously. Now let's see how to convert the minutes into hours. So 112, obviously you have 1 hour in it. So 1 multiplied by 60 plus how many minutes are left? Just break down 112 into 60, and to find it, just subtract 112 minus 60. Yes, that will be, yes, 112 minus
52.
60, it's 52. Yeah, so 52 minutes. Now convert 60 minutes into 1 hour and 52 minutes. So they are started at 8 a.m. So 8 plus 1 hour, it is going to be 9:52 a.m. Yes, is it clear? Yes, anyone have a doubt in it?
No, sir.
All right. The question number 9. The highest common factor HCF of two numbers is 6. All right, we have a HCF is going to be 6. The lowest common multiple of the same number is 60. Now LCM is given. It says that it is 60. The least common multiple. What are the two numbers? So basically you have to find two numbers in which you are getting the LCM and HCF. If we are going to be write the prime factors of these two numbers, the LCM is 60. 2 times 30 is 60. 2 times 15. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 1 is 5. So it is going to be 2 squared into 3 into 5. And I am going to be talk about HCF. So the number is going to be 2 times 3, right?
Yes.
Is it clear? Now we have to find the numbers. Let's say we have any x number and any y number here. We have to make the numbers. First of all, let's see how to focus on HCF. Obviously, in HCF, what we have to take, we have to take the lowest power down. This means one number must have a 2 and least power have 3 raised to power 1. It can't be more because the HCF is the highest common factor is 2 and 3. In the next number, because the LCM is 2 raised to power 2, this means that this number must have a 2 raised to power 2. It is 3 and it must be 5. Okay, it can be more, all right? Because it can be 3 square, it can be 3 raised to power 5, like these numbers. It can be 3 raised to power 5. Yes, this number can be 3 raised to power 5. Yes, Ahmed.
Sir,
Yes, Mariam.
I don't understand. Can you explain it again?
Okay, I will explain you. First of all, we have to recall the concept that, for example, I told you we have a two numbers. For example, one number is 60, and let's say the second number is 15. All right, we have to find the LCM and HCF. What we have to do, first of all, we are going to find the prime factorization. 2 times 30 is 60, 2 times 15 is 30, 3 times 5 is 15, and 5 times 1 is 5. And if I'm going to find the prime factors of 15, it will be 3 times 5 is 15, and 5 times 1 is 5. So there are prime numbers that are going to be used here, that is 2, 3, and 5. So 2 times 3 times 5, 2 times 3 times 5. I told you you have to write the number like this. In 60, the 2 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 1, 5 raised to power 1. In 15, 2 raised to power 1, there is no, sorry, 3, there is no 2 here. In 15, there is no 2, so 2 raised to power 0, 3 raised to power 1, and 5 raised to power 1. Now tell me what you have done when you are going to find the LCM. In LCM, you have to take the lowest power down or highest power down. Yes. When we are going to find the LCM, we are going to take the highest power down or lowest power down.
Highest.
Highest power. The highest power is 2 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 1, and 5 raised to power 1. And in HCF, we have to take the
Lowest.
lowest power down. So the lowest is 2 raised to power 0, 3, and 5. So from here you are getting 2 times 4, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 5 is 60, and HCF is going to be getting 15. Okay, by chance you are getting the same values. Okay, now go back here. He gives you the HCF and LCM, means these values are given. I just write it in the prime factorization form. That's it. Now I have to find these two numbers, the unknown numbers. I don't know what they are. So what I have to do, first of all, I have to use the concept of HCF, because HCF is 2 raised to power 1 and 3 raised to power 1. This means that it may be this one is 2 raised to power 1 or this may be 2 raised to power 1, right?
Yes.
So I suppose that this is 2 raised to power 1. You can take this one 2 raised to power 1 as well. It doesn't matter. In the same way, you have 3 raised to power 1. This means that you have 3 raised to power 1 here and or 3 raised to power 1 here. So I just assume that this number is 2 raised to power 1 and 3 raised to power 1. Now maybe there is some other number as well. I'm not sure what it is. But I know that in the first number there must be 2 in it and there must be 3 in it. And in the second number there must be 2 in it and 3 in it, because the highest common factor is 2 and 3. Now he gives you the LCM. The LCM is 2 raised to power 2 into 3 into 5. 2 raised to power 2 means you have to take the highest power down. For example, you just have to write the upper values. You have to take the highest power down. Obviously it is a power 2 raised to power 1. This means that the second number must have a power 2 raised to power 2. Got it? Yes, Mariam, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, in the second one, you have 3. Okay. Now it can be 3 raised to power 0. It can be 3 raised to power 1. And that's it. It can't be 3 raised to power 2. Because if you will take 3 raised to power 2, the LCM is going to be changed. All right. Now, let's see, it is 3 raised to power 1. We are just suppose that it is 3 raised to power 1. Next, obviously you have a 5. If I will take this one as a HCF and you have 2 multiplied by 3, obviously in the one number there is no 5, in another number there is 5. So it can be 5 raised to power 1 and 0, or it can be also, if you don't write it here, it can be 5 raised to power 1 and 5 raised to power 0 like this. Because in LCM you have a 5. This means that you have a 5 in the first number or you have a 5 in the second number. I just assume that we have a 5 in the second number. Got it? So because of HCM, I just write 5 here. Is it clear? How I just write it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
After doing it, just
Yes.
multiply 2 multiplied by 3, that is going to be 6. And the second number 2 times 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 12 multiplied by 5 is going to be 60. So one number is going to be 6 and second number must be 60. Clear? So in a very first class, when we are starting the LCM and HCF, I told you you must have to, when we are going moving forward, it's very easy. Just take the highest power down and take the lowest power down. But when we are moving backward, obviously you must have a strong grip on this method. All right, now I just do the example here by myself. 1 second. Okay, let's see how to move to the next one. Yes.
Yeah.
And no one have a question here? All right. Now I think this is the last question of this worksheet. Yeah. A red light flashes every 3 seconds, and a yellow light flashes every 8 seconds, and a green light flashes every 11 seconds. Now you have 3. But this does not change anything. You have, in this case, you have to find the LCM of 3 numbers. Yes. Find the LCM and tell me what it is.
Sir, 264.
264. All right. Send me your working as well.
Sir, in the WhatsApp group.
Yes.
Sir, I got the answer to it. It's 264.
264 as well. All right, one of them send the picture. Yeah, sorry. So I get the picture. Just try to send me a crop picture. All right, so 2, 4, 1, 3, and 11. Yeah, correct. Yes, now anyone have a question about LCM and HCF? And I hope after doing this different type of question, you are able to recognize that in which one we had to use the LCM concept to find it.
Yes, sir.
All right, so just wait a minute, I'm sending it to you.